Welcome to this step-by-step demo on how to deploy RidgeBot from the Azure Marketplace. In this short video, we'll walk you through the complete first-time deployment process, from creating a RidgeBot virtual machine to accessing it through SSH, and finally viewing the RidgeBot GUI in your web browser. Start by logging into your Azure portal at portal.azure.com. In the top search bar, type Marketplace and open Azure Marketplace. In the Marketplace, search RidgeBot. You'll find 3 RidgeBot listings. Managed Application. Deploy RidgeBot directly in your Azure account with a monthly subscription, covering up to 20 IPS or one website, billed through Azure. Virtual Machine, BYOL. Deploy RidgeBot as a virtual machine using a license purchased directly from Ridge Security. This is the version we'll use in this demo. Sentinel Solution. Integrate RidgeBot Sentinel with existing RidgeBot instances to centralize alerts and incident management across your infrastructure. From the available options, select the Virtual Machine BYOL version, then click Get It Now, and continue to move to the deployment page. If a dialog box pops up, click Continue to Proceed. This will lead you to the Azure portal. Then click the Create button to start the setup. You'll be redirected to the Azure portal's Create a Virtual Machine page. Select your subscription and resource group, or create a new one if needed. Next, give your virtual machine a name and scroll down. For the virtual machine size, choose one marked Recommended by Image Publisher to ensure optimal performance. Do not change the username, as the Management Console username is preset as Azure User. For SSH authentication, either generate a new SSH key pair or select one from your previously stored keys if you already have a .pem file. Click Next. Under OS disk type, select either Premium SSD or Standard SSD. Both options are valid. Then click Next, Networking. Here, most fields will already be filled in. You can adjust your virtual network or subnet if needed, or simply use the defaults. Select an existing network security group or create a new one. Then click Next Management. In this section, select Enable Basic Plan for free. Next, click through the Monitoring, Advanced, and Tags tabs. No changes are required in these sections. Finally, click Review plus Create to proceed with the deployment. When validation passes, review all configurations carefully. Click Create to start the deployment. If you created a new SSH key, make sure to download it before proceeding. Then click the Return to Create Virtual Machine button. You'll see a notification indicating that the deployment is in progress. After a few seconds, the deployment details will appear. Since you're already signed into the Azure portal, use the top search bar and type Virtual Machines. There, you'll find the information for the RidgeBot virtual machine you just created, showing its current status. If it seems to be taking too long, simply refresh the page. Once completed, the status should display as running. After deployment, find the public IP address of your RidgeBot VM in the Azure portal. Then, open your terminal and connect using SSH with this command. Once connected, you'll enter the RidgeBot Management Console. You'll see system details and available commands, such as ping, reset, and license checks. Since the IP address is automatically assigned by Azure, there's usually no need for manual configuration. Now, using the same public IP address, open a web browser and navigate to HTTPS. Copy your RidgeBot IP address. You'll see the RidgeBot login authentication page. If the system is not yet authorized, copy the displayed machine code and contact Ridge Azure Support by filling out the form on the Azure landing page of Ridge's website to obtain your activation file. Once authorized, you'll have full access to RidgeBot's intuitive web interface. And that's it. You've successfully deployed RidgeBot on Microsoft Azure. From here, you can start automating your penetration testing and security validation workflows. To learn more, visit our website